this video, I will be showing you how to upload your CPD hours. Open your favorite browser. Go to the IIA SA website. The link is in the description below. Navigate your mouse cursor to the upper right part of your browser window and sign into your profile. Type in your username and password and click Sign In. Once signed in, scroll down and click on the Professional Development tab. Locate and click on the Journal Entries tab. Click on Add Entry. Please fill in all the required fields represented by a red asterisk. Fields without the asterisk are optional and should only be filled if the information is available. Select your certification or program type. Select your credit type. Type in the description of your CPD application. Type in the number of credits accrued, and on the attachments option, click on Choose File and navigate to and select your supporting document. Click Open to add it to the application. Click the Submit button and that's it. You have uploaded your CPD. If you have any questions or queries, please email us at member.info@iiasa.org.za. The email address is attached in the video description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new content. For more information, visit our website, link in the description below. Thanks for watching.